Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on this 2018 Chevy Impala Premier. The point of our walk arounds is simple. It's to give you a look at the cosmetic imperfections that don't show up in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website, you can see those photos just below this video. For a description which highlights the options and features of the vehicle, look above this video. If you're on our YouTube channel and wish to see either of those things, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. Not only can you see the description and photos, but you can get shipping quotes, you can get financing options, see a free CARFAX report, and the original window sticker. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on our website. Let's do the walk around. All right, doing a quick walk around on the outside, show you some of the cosmetics on this 45,000 mile Impala. Also, it's got brand new rubber all the way around it. They did do some aerosol touch-up on a couple of scratches they had here and small chips. And there are a few baby chips here. As you can see, the relative size to my finger, they are very, very small. And a little bit of swirl marks. It's been through a car wash or two. But overall, this is a great shape, 45,000 mile Chevy Impala, especially with dark paint. A couple more little scratches they touched up here. Just want you to be able to see everything before you come down and see just how clean this is. Again, there's a chip here. The roof is in perfect shape. There's no real dents or dings or heavy scratches on this vehicle. Just a couple of minor chips, as I showed you, and where they had touched it up here on the hood. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, everyone, here's the interior. As you can see, there's not a whole lot to say. There's no frayed seams or any burn holes, rips, or tears. It's like the outside. It's been well taken care of for a 4-year-old, 45,000 mile car, daily driver. The back seat looks practically new, or they took amazing care of it. There you go. A little preview of the interior.